Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol SPY. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Not sure what I mean by 30-minute. I do offer an explanation video at that link. Well, quite the dramatic turnaround on this one. I realize I'm stating the obvious when I say that, but that definitely offers up some context. But when you stop and think about the fact that just on Tuesday, the price was down here. Now all of a sudden the price has worked its way all the way back up there. A very, very impressive movement. But that does bring about the more than valid question of, but is there any sort of true power behind this move? Is there any sort of genuine strength? Or is this just some sort of knee-jerk reaction, dead cat bounce type move? And I have no idea. But by using charts, we can make answering that question very straightforward. And in my mind, it all revolves around a single area. And that area is right here at 337.75. Why is that level so important? And I'm not saying at all that this is what's going to actually happen, but just to explain why this is an important level. But let's say the price comes down here, behaves in that manner, and then goes to the downside. What would that be doing to the price? Well, that would quite literally be putting the price right back to where it was. And I mean, not to insult your intelligence, but when price movements go back to where they were, not exactly a sign of true power, true strength, or anything like that. But to be fair, no price can go straight up. So maybe the price comes down here, behaves like that, but the difference being then begins to work its way back upwards. Now, all of a sudden, what would you have? Well, in this situation, you'd have a set of lows right here. You'd have lows down here, and if you envision each one of those as stair-steps, well, hey, there you go. Now you have stair-steps making progress in the upwards direction, and that's what a truly strong move is going to do. It's going to show signs of progress, and in this situation, again, quote-unquote, showing signs of progress is being defined as staying up above that 337.75 mark. So keep a close eye on that moving forward. That's going to definitely be a very revealing and a very helpful level, right? It's going to reveal whether or not the bulls have enough strength to continue to show signs of progress, or if the price is quite literally just going right back to where it was. As far as areas of resistance are concerned, quite straightforward here. The party stop back on Tuesday up at 342. And the good news is here is that the price is well within striking distance. So that doesn't mean that it's guaranteed of anything, but it's a more than valid thought to have that maybe if the price consolidates out and then makes another move upwards, it's looking like 342 has a chance of being broken. But I'm more curious about, is this move really strong? Let's just see if it can start to show signs of progress. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.